So remember on Friday, we talked about area of a plane figure. Today we're going to take that a little farther and talk about area of solid figures. If you don't already have out in front of you lesson 14.4, go ahead and grab that now. It is RW81. When you're ready, hit play. Today we're going to use a net to find the area of solid figures. Remember, area is everything that is inside. Perimeter is around the outside edge, and area is everything that is inside. Today when we talk about finding the area of these solid figures, we're going to use units. So each thing is going to have a unit. So to find the area of a solid figure, we're going to follow these steps. You're going to find the area of each face. Remember, solid figures can be unfolded into these nets. These nets are just the plain figures that we use to create a solid figure. So if we find the area of each face, we can add them up together to get the total area. That's what they did right here. So we are looking at this solid figure right here. They've unfolded it out. This face right here is the same face that I have right here. Does everybody see that? All right. We can count that out. We can say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the same as 3 times 4, which equals 12. So we know that the face A is 12 units. We continue counting in this same manner. Face B is 12 units. Face C is 8 units. Face D is 8. Face E is 6. Face F is also 6. It asks you here, did you notice that the opposite sides of the box have the same area? Did you notice that? All of the faces that are the same have the same area. So the front face and the back face, the two side faces, and the top and the bottom. Then what we do is we add up all those faces. We add them all up. That's going to give us the total area of this particular box. When they add up all of those faces, they get 52 square units. We call these square units because they are square and they are the unit that we are measuring in. So the total area of this box is 52 square units. Let's go ahead and practice using another example. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in just a little bit. We want to find the total area. We are looking at this little tiny cube right here. When we take this little tiny cube and unfold it out, it creates this net. We then can count the square units to find the total area of the cube. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This cube is 6 square units. We can also see that we have 1, 2, 3, and then we have 4 on the back here, 5 on the back here, and 6 on the bottom here. Let's do another one together. All right, we have this solid figure here. We need to figure out how many square units of area this solid figure is. So we take this solid figure and unfold it out into this net. We can then count the square units. We have this one here, and we're going to use multiplication to solve. We have 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What does that equal? That's right, 15. And then we can take that 15 and add on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 15 plus 7. Did you get the same thing I got? That's not correct. Silly. What'd you get? All right, let's add it up together. We have 15, and we need to add on 7 more to account for all of the square units in this net figure. So we have 7 plus 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Go ahead and regroup our 1, or our 10s, and then we have 2. So this particular figure would be 22 square units. Did you get the same answer when you added them up? You can even go back and check. We have our 7, and then let's go ahead and add on 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. All right, is it making sense? All right, let's go ahead and do some individual practice with these problems. You're going to go ahead and practice independently using number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. All right, ready, set,